Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 19th of May, Wednesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. And I'm also going to share with you some useful price action tips. So stay tuned. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, so feel free to subscribe my channel. And just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. All right, so Euro USD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, as you can see here, yesterday we had a long trade, beautiful, and price nicely hit. As you can see, that is the weekly resistance level, which is 122.424. As you can see here, price nicely respected. We were taking a short this morning, and afterwards we were short. We had another one small long because we were expecting price, as soon as the price respected this level, which is 22.050, we explained the possibility of price might gonna continue. We had a very small long trade, but after that we had a beautiful short trade because in intraday the price developed head and shoulder pattern, and that's why we enjoyed it short trade later on. As you can see here, price nicely basically broke on this major support, trend support, and even this is the previous high. So let's see if the price gonna stay below 21.811 a level. So most likely we're going to be taking a pullback short trade, but if the price going to respect, then long. But as I said to you guys, we are intraday. So let's move into the today's analysis, how I did in Euro USD. As you can see, we had a beautiful, if I show you here in Euro USD, this is the analysis. So based on this 4-hour price action, this is the analysis we did. So this morning, this is the analysis I did last night. Just once I finished my recording, I explained to trader the price develop another bull flag pattern, which price nicely broken, as you can see here. And this based on the momentum. If you look at the bottom, momentum was very bullish. So we had this technically, if you look at this was the from here, as soon as the price respect, this the long trade. In 4-hour, we banked beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit to the red fib channel, which is the weekly resistance level in 4-hour, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. Once we done that one, then I did instantly, I updated my analysis. As you can see here at the London morning session, explained to trader possibility price might going to develop a pullback here, and that's the first priority. Otherwise, we're going to take a breakout short because we can see here price nicely respected the major resistance level in 4-hour. So you can see here we haven't seen any green candle at this level. Price nicely broke on, and that's what we explained to trader. Right now, guys, we should be keep taking a pullback short trade here. We have this, if you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, so we had a beautiful, as soon as the price hit this previous low level, and that's what in 4-hour, as you can see here in 100 EMA in intraday system. And if you look at here, this was the support level. As you can see here, price respected previously. That's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had this counter short trade previously, we had this breakout long, bank beautiful pips, and then afterwards counter short trade, bank another beautiful pips. And then later on at the New York session, as you can see here, price reverse. And what we explaining to trader, most of the trader was thinking that the price, as soon as we see some bearish rejection, we were expecting the price might gonna continue, and I broadcast this analysis instantly. As you can see here, just a minute guys, let me make it bigger so at least you can see it, both of the analysis. Okay, so yeah, that's okay. Right, so if you look at this analysis, okay guys, just a minute. Okay, so this is the analysis. We already had this long and short at the New York session, just just before the opening bell. We had this breakout, as you can see here, price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit this level, and that what I explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. And then as soon as the price reverse in the analysis, as you can see here, that's that time when I explained to my trader, it's looked like the price is developing head and shoulder pattern in intraday, and that's I instantly broadcast that analysis. And that's what we explained to trader. Look guys, we have this breakout based on the below analysis. If you look at, we had this breakout, and once we have this breakout, and that's what we explained to trader, look, if the price is going to break this level, then we're going to be taking a short trade here. Then we have the confirmation that the price is going to continue bearish. So it's look like a head and shoulder pattern. We're only going to confirm if the price is going to break this level, which is you can see here, that's the level. And if the price is going to break the recent high, so we will consider the price might going to continue. So what happened afterwards, you can see the momentum developed bearish, so price nicely basically developed a very small pullback but did not break the previous high. That give us the confirmation. And when we look at in 4 hour, we said guys, probably price might gonna continue bearish. So we have this breakout, and beautiful, as soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, at the 200 EMA and at the inside the Bollinger Band in 4 hour, that's what we explained to traders. It's time to bank some profit and look for another pullback. As always, once we have the confirmation through intraday and in 4 hour, you can see we also had this candle give us the bullish rejection. So afterwards, you can see a pretty straightforward. We have this bank some profit as always. After the pullback, after the breakout, we had another beautiful pullback short trade. So that's what exactly we did. So guys, the most important thing is you need to look at in 4 hour. That's what exactly we do at a high time frame, understand the price action in a high time frame, and then basically refine your entries in a shorter time frame. You can use a 5 minutes or 15 minutes. We have built the systems which is basically help us to refine our entries and exit, which you can say more or less exactly, you can say almost 15 minutes or 5 minutes similarity of the chart. But we are very comfortable. As you can see, we can easily pinpoint the entries, and we had a beautiful short trade on Euro USD. So the just let me remove this thing. So if you look at the tip I want to give it to you guys is always look 4 hour or high time frame and understand the bigger picture. And once you understand, like today, once the price respected this level, once we have this candle, if you look at this body of this candle is bigger than the previous body, and we have this rejection, and that's what we explained to trader. If you look at in a shorter time frame, this was the wedge breakout, and that's what we explained to trader to keep taking a pullback short trade. More likely, if the price is going to break this one, we're going to keep taking a short. Otherwise, if we see any good pattern, then we long. So you can see here, even after this candle, as I mentioned, in a shorter time frame, we had a head and shoulder pattern. In 5 minutes, you can take it any breakout and beautiful trade. So always look at high time frame and refine their entries and exit in a shorter time frame, and enjoy pipping. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. Even pound dollar, if you look at the bigger picture 4 hour, as you can see that from yesterday we were long. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, guys, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. All right guys, so if you see the yesterday we had a beautiful long trade. As I mentioned yesterday, that the price nicely respected here, so we are looking at short trade here. I was expecting, to be honest, that might gonna have a pullback here, but as I said to my trader, we're going to trade what we see it in intraday. So that's the basically our rule. So you can see here after that price nicely short trade here. And if you look at an intraday, and let me share with you all the analysis from here to here. As you can see, in a bigger time frame, we have the price respected this level. We were expecting a pullback, so until that we were expecting a short, and if the price gonna break, we're gonna short here. So after this candle, we were expecting the price might gonna develop pullback, but the price refused in intraday, and as soon as the price refused to break this level, and then we have taken a short trade here and banked beautiful pips. And let me share with you those analysis intraday on pound dollar. All right, so if you look at let me make it slightly bigger so at least I can give you a nice view. All right, so this is the analysis I did both for dollar and CAD and all these three pairs in the night time for the Asian traders. So this was the consolidation at that time. So we had this breakout was performed at the London morning session. In the London morning session, I also updated that analysis here. You can see here, and based on that, what we explained to trader guys, we going to trade what we see it. And if you look at in the intraday system at the bottom, momentum was bearish, and that's what, and the price was below on this more line you can see here, and below this orange EMA. And you can see here price nicely broken, and afterwards we explained to trader take another pullback, keep taking a pullback as long as the momentum. And as you can see, from one fib channel to another fib channel, that's our first target, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for the New York session. All right, so after that you can see price reverse in the another analysis, and this is the analysis at the New York session. I explained to trader look for another breakout. As explained to trader, the best way to look for if the price gonna break the previous high or the recent high or the recent low, as you can see this one. So we were watching in 4 hour because we were expecting, you can see here price develop low high, and that's give us the confirmation price might gonna break and continue long at this level. And as you can see here, we taken a long trade, some of the traders, but technically afterwards this trade as soon as it hit to the resistance level, and that's why we explained to trader it's time to consider tightening your stop loss, which technically came back, and we came out at the break even. So once the price basically reverse, and that's instantly I update that analysis, communicate with my traders that the price don't want to be up, above the previous high, which just look like the price has broken. So more likely look for the short trade here. So you can see here another triangle pattern is developed, and that's what we explained to trader. As you can see, we had this breakout, which we technically came out at the break even, and then afterwards I explained to trader, if you look at technically price also, even though this is a triangle pattern, but if you look at very carefully, we had another bearish flag pattern. That's another confirmation. So you can see a breakout, and explain to my trader if the price is going to respect after the breakout this level, we're going to be keep taking a pullback short trade here, because price refused to break 41,659, which is the daily resistance level, and that's what we explained to trader, keep taking a pullback. So you can see here we have one pullback and another pullback. Condition was as long as the price stay below this 200 EMA in intraday system, which is you can use a 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, and as long as the momentum is bearish. So we have beautiful short trade as soon as the price hit this level, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see here we had a beautiful short trade based on the 4 hour price action, as I explained to you guys yesterday. And pound dollar price nicely respected this level. Second is we just find the valid technical entries in intraday and keep enjoying banking some profit. So right now you can see the price is at this level, which is the previously broken. As always, the price action, price broken, and looking for another pullback. We'll see if the price is going to respect. Then tomorrow probably going to be taking a pullback long. Otherwise, if the price is going to break this major support level, then keep taking a pullback short trade. As I said to you guys, we are intraday. We always look at in this system and find the patterns and which coordinate with the price action of the high time frame, and that's what we're enjoying peeping. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trades. if I show you, if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. From yesterday, as I mentioned, that we were looking along from this level, so we were long, and that's what we explained to trader. Just keep taking a pullback every time when the price dip comes, just buying it. So that's what exactly we did. As you can see, the reason why, because if you look at the price section, the price could not maintain this level, which is 44.7, 44.7 level, which is the previously last week low. That's the false breakout, and that's what we explained to trader. And plus, as explained to me yesterday analysis, the price respected, so we were taking a pullback long. So we already enjoyed, and some of the traders are still holding it. They're expecting the price might gonna hit 122,000 level. Let's see how it's gonna go, but most of the traders really enjoyed long on dollar CAD. All right, so let me share with you the today's analysis. And if you look at from yesterday, we were long from that level, as you can see in my previous analysis. So this is the analysis I did last night, as soon as I finished my recording for my Asian session traders. As you can see here, this is the analysis explained to trader if look for this breakout, but mainly we were interested in long based on the 4-hour price action. You can see we had a breakout. As soon as the price hit, bank few pips, look for another pullback. We had another beautiful pullback, and price nicely hit this level. So even in the London morning session, I explained to trader just follow this analysis, but still valid. We're looking another pullback, so we had another 1 or 2 pullback long. At the New York session, as you can see, price came back, and most of the traders was expecting price might gonna continue short. But as I did this analysis and explained to my trader, this is a false breakout. It's a good sign. Let's market settle down, look for another pullback. And if you get the pullback, that is the confirmation that the price want to continue long. So as you can see here, price nicely developed another pullback at this level, and we had another beautiful momentum was developed bullish. And as soon as the price hit to the first target at this level, as you can see here, and bank beautiful pips, and afterwards I explained to my trader just keep taking a pullback. And to be honest, most of the traders are banking beautiful pips. As I said to you guys, 4-hour, keep in a high time frame. Once you develop the bias, once you understand the 4-hour price action, most important thing, understand the candlestick pattern is very important, and then look at in a shorter time frame and refine your entries and exit. Money management and risk management is a very important and key element into the trading. All right, so if you look at here, after this pullback, we bank some profit. We have another 2 pullbacks, beautiful pips. All right guys, as you can see, one of the traders still banked 60 pips and still holding dollar CAD. Long trade, still 100 pips in profit. And if I click on the open price, you can see this is the trade he taken it from yesterday. That was a beautiful counter long trade, and that was the, let me share with you the dollar CAD. That's the, he took short trade here at this level, which is, you can see the open price is 25.3 level, still holding, stop loss at the break even, and the trader is expecting is going to hit 122,000. Let's see. All right guys, so we had amazing trades, most of them bank beautiful pips, as you've seen that Euro USD everything. We have another beautiful trade, especially on the pound yen, all the yen pair. Let me share with you the pound yen guys. We had amazing this morning. I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see, the price develop sideways market in 4-hour. That's what exactly we're looking into it. So as soon as the price develop, double top, as you can see, to fractal, and that's what I explained to trader. If the price gonna break, then we're gonna be taking a short trade here, and that's what happened. As soon as the price broken, as always, after the breakout, keep taking a pullback short trade, and so that's what we really enjoyed it. As you can see here, let me share with you the analysis of pound yen. You can see this was the analysis first. This was the yesterday analysis. This is the analysis I did London morning session, as you can see here. And this was the consolidation. That's what we explained to trader, look for this breakout and this breakout. And but as I explained to trader, my traders, don't trap into the false breakout. Also keep an eye in 4 hour, because it's a very important, because sometime in intraday you might be thinking price broken, but you need a confirmation in 4 hour. So as soon as this candle finished, we had a confirmation of breakout. That's what we explained to trader. Take a short trade here at this level. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and then afterwards, as explained, take a pullback. And as soon as the price hit this level, and then what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit and look for another pullback. Straight away, once my traders bank some profit, and I did another analysis instantly, as you can see here, the price nicely respected at exactly at this resistance, at the resistance level, as you can see here. And if you look at, that's what we explained to trader. If you look at, sorry guys, so let me remove this one. And if you look at, this is another bearish flag pattern. If you look at technically, this is, and that's another sign of continuity of bearish. So we have this one, another breakout, and then afterward, as always, after the breakout, another pullback, as long as the momentum is bearish. And that's what we explained to trader. Just keep taking short trades here. As soon as the price came to the support level around this monthly support level, that's time we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So you can see we had amazing trades on pound dollar. We were short on yen, most of the yen pair. As soon as the price about to hit 153.405 level, around this level, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit and enjoy and come back tomorrow. All right, so we have all this yen pair. We had a beautiful short trade here. You can see here, once the price rejected in 4 hour, again we look at in a 4 hour chart. As soon as the price respected, you can see this candle give us significant information, bullish rejection as soon as the price broken. And that's what we explained to trader, look for breakout, and otherwise the safest trade would be the pullback, which traders have taken this pullback. Let me share with you. You can see here another one, beautiful. We have this breakout is performed. After the breakout, look at this pullback, beautiful trade. So that's what exactly we did. I hope guys you enjoy. As I said to you guys, look at in a high time frame and refine your entries in a shorter time frame. Money management, risk management is the key important in trading. All right guys, so I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and as always, if you would like to see all this analysis and details analysis, intraday analysis, as just I showed you in real time, even if you don't have forex trading experience, as I said to you, my main objective is to train trader through live intraday analysis so they can develop their trading skill in real time. And we can open door for them if they develop their trading skill banking all this pips, so we can also arrange trading funds for them to trade from prop firms. So if you are interested how I train and coach in real time to my traders, feel free to book a free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader and if you're just looking extra help intraday analysis, most of my traders, they are swing traders. They love it because they really need entries and exits. So we basically we'll work like a team. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to be part of my team and enjoying pipping every single day. And so most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed, and until next time, all the best.